Welcome to Beauty Garage. I'm Chris Dale, and today the Integra is in the garage and ready to get painted. It's all sanded down, it's gonna get taped up. And I got my good friend Nolan here. He's a professional painter, so he's gonna show me the ropes and show me how to paint it and probably lay down the clear coat just so it looks professional. So yeah, let's get to it.
Now it's time for Sponsor Chair.
Today's video is sponsored by The Rag Company. They're a locally owned business here in Boise, Idaho. We use their products in all of our detailing videos. They make high quality microfiber towels and a wide assortment of other products that you can find in the link below.
I'd like to roll, yes, roll. Does she need me? And she roll, 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 roll. Sit yourself down, girl, and
All right, so the Integra is painted and, well, right now I think it looks absolutely amazing. It's time to remove the tape to see how it looks with the tape removed. Nolan, what do you think?
I think it came out great. This is definitely a first for me. I've never painted in a garage before, but I mean, I painted in a state-of-the-art paint booth and everything came out really clean for being a garage paint job. If you guys want to do this on your own, just with a little bit of PVC pipe and plastic, I think you guys can get really great results.
You heard it here, folks. All right, so let's start removing tape. So the Integra is painted now, and now it's time to put it together. So then we can see what it looks like put together and painted. I'm so excited. Oh hey, if you're seeing items on this table, that means we've got more content for you going into the car right behind me. So remember, click that subscribe button and ring that bell. So we got everything put back together for the most part, and the hood latch is on. Now I'm going to, it's not Plasti Dip, but it's like Plasti Dip. It's a Duplicolor brand of Plasti Dip. I'm gonna spray it on the trim because it's rubberized, so it looks like trim and it feels like trim, and it's black. So it's just gonna look really good and just clean up the paint job. Let's do it. All right, the Integra is finished. She's all painted and put back together and looking like a completely brand new car. There are literal blood, sweat, and tears put into this car to get it to where it is today, and I'm really happy with the final product. Have you ever painted your car in your garage? If you have, how did that go? And did you enjoy watching us paint this? Let us know in the comments below. I'll see you around. I'm gonna go drive this thing. Hey everyone, if you want to watch more detailing videos, go on ahead and click the sponge and spray bottle right there. And if you want to watch more modification videos, click the wheel and wrench right there. And remember, stay beautiful.